In this video, you will learn how to solve this nice radical problem. Join me as we solve this radical problem without the use of calculator, just with the use of algebraic logic. You want to know how to do that? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Now, to start with, I want you to consider the expression. You are asked to multiply the square root of 70 multiplied by 71 multiplied by 72 multiplied by 73 plus 1. Now to solve this, I want you to note that apart from 70, 71 can give us 70 plus 1, right? 72 can give us 70 plus 2, and on and on. 73 can also give us 70 plus 3. So we can apply that in that expression to simplify that expression. So if we simplify that expression will give us 70, right, multiplied by 70 plus 1 multiplied by 70 plus 2 multiplied by 70 plus 3, and this will be plus what? 1. Great. Now if you see that, that is exactly what that expression will give us. Now for us to simplify, let us assume that our y is equal to 70. This will make simplification very easy. So if we assume that this whole expression will now give us the square root of y multiplied by, right, y plus 1 multiplied by y plus 2 multiplied by y plus 3, and then plus 1. Great. So how do we expatiate this? Now to expatiate this, I want us to do something. I'm going to look at multiplying this expression with this, and then multiplying these two expressions. Now if I multiply those two expressions, I'm going to have this to become y multiplied by y plus 3, right? And this will be multiplied by y plus 1 multiplied by y plus 2, and this will be what? Plus 1. Is in order to factorize that expression easily, we have to do that. So this whole expression will now give me the square root of y times y will give me y squared plus 3y, right? And that will be for that expression. And this other part will now give me y squared plus 2y, right, plus y plus 2, and all this will be plus 1. So let's simplify further. If we simplify further, that expression is going to give us y squared plus 3y, right? And this will give us y squared plus 3y, right, plus 2, and this will be plus 1, right? So we are going to simplify that expression. And from that expression, since we have y squared plus 3 and we have y squared plus 3, we can simply let our y squared plus 3y to be equal to p. That way we can simplify that expression very well. So if we do that, this will give us the square root of p, right, multiplied by p plus 2, and this will be plus what? Plus 1. Now you see that that expression has been reduced further. So if we simplify this, we are going to have, if we expand that expression, we're going to have this to become the square root of p squared plus 2p plus 1. Now, do you see that that is giving us what we call a quadratic equation? From that quadratic equation, you can see that we can simplify that quadratic equation to give us the square root of this whole thing can be simplified to become p plus 1. Because if you simplify this all squared, if you simplify this expression, let's do that. If you have p plus 1 multiplied by p plus 1, if you simplify this expression, you have p squared, right? Plus p plus p plus 1, right? And this will give us p squared plus 2p plus 1. So you see, we'll definitely get this expression. So we didn't change anything. So from that expression, you'll come to see that this square will clear the square root, and our whole expression can now be equal to p plus 1. Now recall that we said our p is equal to what? Y squared plus 3y, right? So that expression will now give us, if we bring that back, it will now give us y squared plus 3y plus 1, right? But we also recall that we said earlier on that our y is equal to what? Our y is equal to 70. So if we have our 70 imparted back into that expression, you come to see that this whole expression will now give us 70 squared plus 3 multiplied by 70 plus 1. So this will give us 70 squared is going to give us 4,900, right? Plus 70 times 3, that will give you 210 plus 1. So if we add this expression, we're going to have this to become 4,900 plus 210, now plus what? Plus 1. So this expression will give us 1, 1, and this will give us 1, and then this will give us 5. So the solution to that expression will give us 505,111, and that is the solution. So you see, without the use of calculator, we are able to solve this using just algebraic logic. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.